Hello, today we are going to find out how long this 18 volt 2.5 amp hour lithium ion power tool battery, this is Ozito branded, also the same as the iron well type batteries. We're going to see how long this takes to discharge powering an AC fan. Now this is an Arlec fan from Bunnings, rated power 45 watts. I think that's the maximum power, so we're actually just going to run this speed one, the lowest, and see how long it runs for off this power tool battery. Now, how are we going to get this? How are we going to get power out of this? Well, I've solved that problem. I 3D printed this little adapter, and I'll leave a link to the STL file which I found. Must have been on Printables or MakerWorld somewhere. And all you have to do is crimp on some spade terminals, and they fit right in perfectly there. And this, I think, is 16 gauge wire, and I have it fused. And it's always important to fuse, especially from a power tool battery, because these can dump a huge amounts of currents. Now, it's always important to fuse a makeshift connection from a battery like this, because this can dump huge amounts of currents because they're used for power tools. There's a 10 amp fuse in there that's appropriate for this wire size. And I'm going through an inline meter to see how much we can pull from it. Now 2.5 amp hours at 18 volts is about 45 watt hours. There we go. And then we are going to a buck converter. This is really cool. It's black, it's matte colored, it's really awesome. It takes, well, it says it's in 24 volts, but the range is between 15 and 40 volts, which this will fit nicely. And we're going to output 12 volts, 30 amps maximum, which is 360 watts. Now, when I got this, it already had this fused connection in there as well. I just soldered on some XT60 connections, because that's what I standardized myself on now. And so we're converting this to 12 volts, it's a buck converter, and then we're going into an Angle modified sine wave inverter. Now, Angle are a really popular brand and really good quality brand for fridges. And I picked this modified sine wave inverter up on Marketplace a while ago now. It had a cigarette lighter attachment, but I snipped that off and I put an XT60 on there, and I fused it as well because, yeah, as I said, I'm standardizing on an XT60. And then we go to my fan. So we basically slide this on. My battery is fully charged, I've done that. We'll see the output here. It's at 20.85 volts at the moment. And we are starting this test at about 7:55 p.m. Alright, let's verify the full battery. Yes, and we'll switch it on. The lights come on, and the fan is going. So, I will check in with you as we progress through draining this battery. And at the moment it is draining at almost 40 watts, almost 2 amps. Okay, we are just over an hour into the test. We have pulled, let's see, 2.153 amp hours, or 39.7 watt hours, so we're almost there. The voltage has dropped to 17 volts. What does it say here? It's low battery, it's flashing there, but the fan is still going, so not much longer now. Okay, it's cut out. It is 9:07, so it was about an hour and 10 minutes. And we drew 2.377 amp hours, or 43.4 watt hours. That's pretty good. So it's cut out just before the full capacity, because you don't want to fully drain this thing. The light says yes, needs to be charged. Fans off, inverters off. This didn't beep or anything, it just shut down. So there we go. Thank you to the Off Grid Bachelor, Glenn Parkinson, for giving me this idea. And yeah, you can get about an hour's runtime on this Arlec 45 watt box fan on an Ozito 2.5 amp hour battery. Of course, there were some conversion losses, buck converter and AC, but it is possible to do.